you guys, I just made a whole video to show you this delicious chili. Now I'm gonna get everything back out of the garbage. 5 ingredients. I browned 1 pound of ground beef. This is a backwards video. When I was first married, I made McCormick's chili. 1 pound of ground beef, browned up. 5 ingredients. Diced tomatoes, kidney beans, tomato sauce. The recipe calls for 2 8-ounce cans. I had a 15-ounce can. You brown your beef in a little bit of olive oil. You dump the other ones. You bring it to warming up, and you have a done pot of chili. The reason for this video today was I told you I was using up my pantry ingredients, and I wanted to show you how I'm going to do that. So this chili is a high protein chili. It's got grass-fed beef. Back when I was married the first time, I'm gonna actually cover it with the braising liquid and then talk to you. When I was first married, my first husband, my children's father, beef was 99 cents a pound. I'd buy 5 pounds and split it into 1 pound increments. Then I'd make meals from 1 pound of beef. So with this chili, my ex-husband could have eaten the whole pot. So I make it stretch. But how? And I'm also going to make a Jiffy Cornbread today. You're going to watch me make the cornbread. And then in the back pot over here behind the chili, I make white rice. So to stretch it, I used to serve white rice with the chili on top and a piece of cornbread on the side. Have you ever done this? So hang on, we're going to go over and make a Jiffy Cornbread. So it's not very hard. It is literally 5 ingredient chili and 3 ingredient cornbread. Jiffy box cornbread. We're going to cut that open, put it in my Tupperware handy dandy mixing bowl. You put an egg and 1/3 cup of milk. I have a nice Corning quiche bowl or quiche pan that I've already sprayed. Put that right in the garbage. We're talking about feeding, I'm trying to think. We're going to feed only 4 of us, but I don't even know if it's going to be $7. It must be $7. So yeah, Jiffy Cornbread. When I was first married, this was like a treat. 1/3 cup of milk, an egg, cornbread mix, and they were 4 for $1. So we had not a lot of money when we were first married in the 80s. We were kids. We had no business even being married. Anyway, you mix it together. Egg, milk, cornbread mix. 5 ingredient chili, 3 ingredient cornbread, a pot of white rice. That's how I stretched it. And when I was all done, at the end of the day, my little babies were little. My son would sit in a high chair and eat that chili and wipe his mouth with a washcloth. And you can't see the food. He would take a bite of the beans and he would wipe his tongue and say, more, more, more. I can remember it like yesterday. And this was the only chili I made for many years because we didn't have money to have extra celery, carrots, onions. I didn't buy all that stuff when I didn't even know how to cook. So I literally did this 5 ingredient chili for a very long time. And it was it was foolproof. The McCormick seasoning, but you can use the store-bought ones. And a Jiffy Cornbread. Do you make any of this? I mean, later on when my son gets here to pick up River, he'll have a nice big bowl of chili, probably over rice, and a slab of this with some butter. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it happen. So I'm going to post it as a 5 ingredient chili, and you guys have at it.